Arch Production and Design is an award-winning custom design and fabrication studio focused on creating high-impact strategic solutions to craft memorable brand experiences and environments through sustainable design and innovative craftsmanship. Specializing in experiential and immersive art, the Arch portfolio spans multiple industries including nightlife, film, television, entertainment, museum exhibitions, live theater and events, brand activations, retail marketing, business-to-business, experiential marketing events, campaigns, and more. Our team of Imagineers and Master Fabricators can transform your vision into workable design with a smart fabrication approach. We often work from original concept development to build and installation, but we will happily meet you anywhere in the production process. Our vision at Arch is to set a new standard for the industry with sustainable practices and ethical production that make a positive impact on the world. With a wide range of in-house skills and trades, from concept to completion, there is virtually nothing we cannot do or make or design.